Today we have billion network updates. This billion network airdrop that we did sometimes last year, and the verification. I think some of us have been wondering what's up with billion network, the TGE, the withdrawal, the registration, and everything like that. So this is the latest update on billion network, on this billions network. So now you can see register to be eligible for rewards. 3 days, 14 hours, 54 minutes. So as soon as you are seeing this video, position, check the link to register for this billions network TGE rewards in the description box of this video. They did their first snapshots December I think 23rd or thereabouts last year, 2025, and they mentioned that the next snapshots will be before TGE. So this might likely be the snapshots they mentioned about, because the first snapshot was December 20 something. It was just December last year, 2025. So we never can tell if this is the snapshot in disguise or we are still expecting more snapshots. And they might not even announce when they will be taking the next snapshot. Since they just released this link for people to register, they might just consider it as the snapshots for airdrop eligibility and withdrawal. So I'll just advise you should take position, register, and await subsequent updates on the withdrawal part of this airdrop. Also, make sure you're on my Telegram community for day-to-day updates, like for daily updates, and make sure you're subscribed to this YouTube channel. Like and share this video and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on my subsequent updates. So if you click on this login with billions, so you are going to preferably use this continue on mobile app. Download the billion network app either on Play Store or App Store. Then scan the code from the app. On the app, the third icon on the app below the app is where you are going to scan the code. So you see scan QR code. Once you scan that code, it will automatically give you your billion page, and you can, let me switch to my main profile. So it will automatically, once you can scan the code, it will, if you have the basic badge like you are seeing on my screen here, you see claimed. If you have the basic badge, the moment you use your phone to scan, to log in using your billion network app, if you have the basic badge, then it will tick here, because these are required. A basic badge, wallet, and your Google account has to be added. Then this is optional because of some accounts that their X account is being suspended, so you don't even really need to connect any X. You can connect Discord if you still have. So these are the main required to earn this airdrop. So to get this basic badge, I think I already did that earlier, and I also have done the passport verification. So this is what we currently have. If I come to this official profile, so this is the basic badge they are asking. So this basic badge is claim your email address and biometric uniqueness credentials. So the moment you claim this, you get the basic badge. So this claim your ID document credential is like an advanced verification, so it's not a requirement to get this one. You can see it's not listed here. The only thing listed here is the basic badge, and which the moment you do your email address and biometric uniqueness, you have this basic badge. So for those asking about this ID document, this NFC credentials, I just completed it before making this video. I used my international passport, and to use your international passport to scan the chip on the international passport, let me Google it so that I can show you, because I'm not showing my face. I will have shown you on camera, but let me just Google it. Does, for my Nigerian folks, let me just do, does Nigerian passports as the NFC? Yeah. So yeah, This is how I search it. That was when I got to realize that this is what is known as the NFC enabled passport. So if you are using a recent Nigerian passport, I collected my passport 2022. So anything from 2022, at least I'm sure you are using a recent passport. So my passport that I collected since 2022 has this NFC chip. So how to scan this NFC chip? This is your passport form page. You can see passport form page. This is the chip. You just place your phone camera. If you are using an iPhone, place your phone camera on this. You are going to scan it like the way you scan or want to take pictures, that you are just going to position it within 10 seconds. Like it has to be position balance. So this is where you position your phone on this chip that you are seeing, this logo that you are seeing my mouse on. So that is where you position your passport, your phone camera, for them to be able to scan the chip to complete this this claim ID verification, this NFC something that you are seeing. So I think that has been the main concern of some people before now. So it was just today I just like, let me just check this out again, and I googled, does Nigeria passport has this, and then I found out that this is the chip I also have scanned. I was busy scanning my passport form page. It was today I got to realize that I'm supposed to scan this. So for you to get this badge, this one, if you have a international passport, any country at all, verify that you have the NFC chip. Most international at least every country has the NFC chip. So every country has the NFC chip embedded on the passport. So you are just going to find out where your home chip is embedded. If you are not in Nigeria, Google your home country so that you can see it on Google the way Google is showing me that this is the chip they are talking about. So check your home country and to find out where your own chip is located so that you can scan it. I mentioned earlier that I don't know that this is the chip they were talking about. So you keep learning every day. So if you're not in Nigeria, Google your own country to find out so that Google can show you like something like this image to know where your own chip is. Then place your camera on that chip to scan it. The first thing first, you need to click on this verified NFC something. Oh, I can no longer see it here because I've done the verification. You need to click on it. You first of all scan the front page of your passport, the biodata page of your passport. Then it will now tell you scan the NFC chip. Then that's when you will now place your camera on this part, on this icon that you are seeing. I'm using this one as an example. So any country that you have, find out where your own chip is located. Then after you've scanned your biodata page, then the next part will be to locate this NFC chip where the logo is. Then scan it, and that's how to complete the verified this ID document credential. You are doing it on the mobile app, not on the web. You have to do it on the mobile app, not on the website. So I downloaded the app, then log in to the app. Then after completing it, they automatically gave me 1,000 PowerPoints again for the PowerPoint for doing this one. So now I can now go ahead and submit these credentials. Then I'll continue to register. So you are registered, you have successfully registered for the rewards. Help us grow the human and AI network. Share your link and invite others into the Billion Network. So that's it. So I've registered for this one. I hope this is the snapshot, or maybe this is just additional reward. But anyhow it's gonna be, just make sure you do these parts so that you don't waste. Imagine farming airdrop since, was it 2024 till last year to this year, and we have to be eligible by God's grace. Amen. So that's all for the Billion Network updates. Position before the countdown drops, and see you on the next update. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Also join my Telegram community for daily updates. See you guys at the next one, and bye for now.